Bianca, your very first lead Star Cinema GMA Pictures and Regal Entertainment movie. Anong nasa isip mo?
Ganito pala pakaramdam maging matupad yung pangarap. Sobrang surreal ng moment na to for me. I've waited for this moment my whole life, ever since bata pa lang ako. Syempre, I've always grown up watching Star Cinema movies, and of course, seeing our very own trailer, grabe, apaka-rewarding. And I don't know, parang natutuwa lang talaga ako para sa little Bianca na nangarap. I'm so proud of her, and dumating kasi ako sa isang point ng buhay ko, syempre alam ng karamihan before PBB na hindi ko alam kung para sa akin ba yung mga pangarap ko. So, to that old version of Bianca, mag-antay ka lang. Darating ka rin siyan. So, maraming salamat po sa mga taong naniwala po sa akin, and those times wherein I really doubted myself. Star Cinema has been there for me since day one. Sabay sila nangarap kasama ako, and I know na bago lang po ako sa inyo and wala pa po akong napapatunayan. But thank you for giving me a chance to do this. Thank you for giving me a chance to share my craft with you. It was such an honor, and ayan, maraming salamat po.